Hello, kids. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are feeling as bright as the sun. And I can see that you all are looking very excited for new learning, isn't it? Actually, I can't see you, but I can feel that. Okay, so get ready for a warm up exercise. You all can stand and just position as I say. Put your hands on the waist like that and just listen to my instructions and do as I say. Okay, let's sing a song with it. Hands on the waist, go round and round. Hands on the waist, go round and round. Faster. Hands on the waist, go round and round. Stop. Start. Hands on the waist, go round and you can sing along. Hands on the waist, go round and stop. Stop.
Hands on the waist, go round
Faster,
and round.
faster. Stop. 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 Start. Stop. Start. So now you all know how to do this warm up exercise. I'll instruct you and you can start up quickly. Okay, get started. Come on, position yourself. Okay, here we go. Start. Faster. Come on, faster. Hands on the waist, go round and round. Hands on the waist, go round and round. Stop. Start. 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 Over. Okay. So I think you are energized enough now. So today we are going to continue with our topic, which was picture composition. Now, you all have been doing picture composition. Just a picture is provided to you, and you look up at the picture and you frame sentences. But today I want to give you a challenge. Are you ready to accept it? Do you accept my challenge? It's going to be easy, don't worry. This is for the first time you're going to do it, but let's see how it comes out to be. We will do picture composition in a different way. Today, I will not show you any picture, but I will give you a situation which you will imagine, which you can visualize, and then you can frame sentences. Okay? I want to brainstorm you today. For example, if I give you the situation like you are standing in a park, what all you can see? What can you visualize? Like you can imagine that two girls are swinging, children are playing with football. Okay, the girls are taking slides. A balloon seller is standing there. Okay, a dog is walking with the girl, or a girl is walking with the dog. Okay, you can create such sentences. Or if I give you the situation that you are sitting in a classroom, then what sentences you can make? Just close your eyes and visualize that. Imagine yourself that you are sitting in a class, and what all can you see? Like the teacher is teaching, the boys are sitting, the girls are sitting, or the children are studying. Right? Two boys are going out, a girl is eating something. Right? Teacher is writing on the board. The lights are on. There is a hot kiss in the class. You can create such sentences, right? So, are you ready to accept my challenge? If I give you a situation, can you create some sentences like that? Okay, I'm going to give you a very common situation that imagine yourself to be in a birthday party. Okay, you are in a birthday party and just visualize the scene. Then you can create sentences like you can make any sentences like this is the birthday party of Ria. Ria is wearing a beautiful dress. Children, there are so many children some children are doing this, that. Okay, I want to see your imagination, I want to see your perceptions. So I would like you to write minimum 5 to 6 sentences, but if you write more than that, that will be really appreciable on your part. Okay, so I just want to see how well my kids know how to create sentences and how well you can visualize. Okay, so kindly write your sentences and